Hey everybody, welcome back to Silver Octagon Technologies, and in this video I'm going to be doing a demonstration of my back gauntlet. So essentially I'm going to be doing a series of cutting tests with the blades and deploying them and seeing how quickly I can attack some objects, pretty much paper. Piece of paper test. Alright, first now for the foam test. If anybody has any questions about the mechanics of this project, be sure to leave a comment down below, and maybe I'll make a tutorial if you guys are interested. So yeah. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. It was a lot of fun. I plan to upgrade this project very soon. I want to make the blades aluminum and cut out of my CNC machine. So stay tuned, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys next time.